See him there?
See Daddy Mitch there?
Daddy. His daddy's daddy.
Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning. Oh my gosh, okay, so I've been up for about an hour, but it has been non-stop in the house already. I'm just sitting down to have a coffee. But you know, between letting the dogs out, cleaning up what's in the sink, actually mopped already right behind me because the dust is settling everywhere. Breakfast for these littles, as in, you know, just a quickie snacky breakfast, because I don't cook breakfast yet. I know they're running around to play a little, and I'm having a little coffee. Oh, and the dogs were just loose in the front, and trust me, they never walk around the back. But look at these two. What you playing? Superheroes. Let me see you run that way, superheroes. Okay. Run that way, superhero.
Mom.
Yes. Whoa, run so fast. Whoa. I have two superheroes. Wow. You almost flew. Whoa. 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 Tornado.
Alright, hi guys. It is Sunday morning in the MTM house. I hope you guys' weekend has been good. I wake up, I don't even see Ivy. Ivy's in the room with the boys, hanging out like she's some big girl. See our girl there.
Hi, Daddy.
Hi. Hi, Sugar Bunks. Hi, Sugar Bunks. Hi, Sugar Bunks. Hi, Sugar Bunks.
Here, hold this like this. Show Daddy how you're being a superhero today. Yeah.
Wow. She's a superhero. Yeah, guys. So it's one of those weekends where we're here and we're on full parent duty because Momo isn't here with us. Tisha isn't here. Momo probably in the country right now. I shoot all our video them and go and market, and who knows what Momo and Brian are up to right now. Jackson is going out to do his robotics in a little while, and we'll probably have a room update for you, a proper room update for you, okay? Like, it gets serious now. The list of things to do is literally can count on one hand.
It's true.
Don't it? You never made it so yet. The things to do list, Marga, right down. Yeah, very meager right now.
You know, tell them about last night, what we do?
Jesus. So last night, after a long day, it's the first Saturday we got so hard on the room. After a long day's work on the room, we just, I mean, it was a proper long day. We literally sit down to watch a movie at like after 10 o'clock in the night.
Got TV in the room, people. What do you feel like?
People, the final frontier. TV string up in the room as of last night. Sound system, everything string up. Listen.
No, we last night were like, you know, when people first moved into them house.
Yo.
And them not have furniture, but they want to sit on in that yard. And we that last night.
Yeah, man. The room
and it was
echo.
Lovely.
The room echo.
Oh, and don't worry, your friend who was watching the movie, Book. Couldn't keep up.
If you ever put that video in me a book,
okay,
I'm done with you.
I won't put it in.
Anyway, yeah, so Bagatin people, we are literally 1 foot into the room right now.
You know,
as a matter of fact, we are 1 foot and 4 toes. We just have one more toe to come across to make the 2 foot in and full completion. We're feeling very proud of ourselves.
Pops came by yesterday.
Pops came by.
I'm so proud of you guys.
And he was like, yo, and even grandma too. Like my mom came and she was just like, when you hear my mother say, Mirigos. I don't know where she get that thought there from, but that a fear, like how you cuss a bad word when you're happy.
No.
Yeah. So.
What is Mirigos mean?
I don't know. Should I say Mirigo when she sit in the bathroom and the whole thing. So.
Mirigo.
Yeah, believe me, people. This is what I know. You guys, I know all the first cousins that been on the journey with us are looking forward in anticipation of seeing how everything came together, and I think you guys will not be disappointed. Yeah. Mommy, bring this to me and say she want change. Ivy, here what I want you to do now. Give me a big jump. Alright. Wow, princess. Looking sweet. High five. Alright. I don't know. Yeah. What about... Oh my god! How did you guess that, bro?
Now it's my turn.
Okay, I put my head.
Now it's my turn.
Hey, Ivy, what's up? We're going on the road, but we're not going to school. Why you have any school bag?
Can I make some lemonade?
If you must.
Right now.
Yeah, we're kind of ready though.
Yeah, but I'm fine. Where are we going?
Don't worry. We're going somewhere.
I hope it's a supermarket.
Tami, come here.
How about you go to her?
That is it.
They go fight like
Ozzy, please pick up that plate.
I didn't do that.
I'm going to carry all the children on the road.
Alright, no problem.
You have things to do?
Yeah, I do. I really do.
I know that face. Where are we going?
What do you mean, where are we going?
I know that face.
Which face is it? I know
Well,
that
I guess
face.
I'll try find out
Don't
this
make that,
time.
Ozzy.
I guess I'll just try find out. I guess I'll find out this time. But all the other ones, I'll look at your face and I know where we're going.
I cannot believe that in size 10 clothes and they're fitting tight. And he don't turn 8 yet.
Crazy.
And this is eventual take. Atlas after, so maybe you can drop them.
Yeah, just keep me posted and let me know.
Alright, so they're gone. I'm gonna take this opportunity to just tidy up, wipe out one time, and then get started in the room again. So here's a Sunday cleanup. guys, so I'm in the room now and I am gonna be kind of just tidying up in here for a little bit. So I'm not gonna do a time lapse of in here, but this is where Wayne and I were sitting last night watching the TV, you know, just doing our thing. So I'm gonna start getting some of the little bits and bobs, and then thankfully I have another tuning up or cleaning up happening with Homemade coming up on Tuesday, I believe. So hopefully we'll be able to move in after that. Yeah, for the way I can do in the meantime. So yeah, let me get that done.
Hi, Grandma.
On this Sunday morning.
Good.
What's up? I'm so lovely in your summer outfit.
She changed 2 times from day.
Eh?
She changed 2 times from
Come
morning.
on in. Excuse me. Wow. Come on in, sweetheart. Come on. Come on.
So, Mommy, where you going with from morning?
Well, I went to church.
What?
Yes, I went to 7 o'clock.
Okay.
So it was lovely. Yeah. So it's like a round table discussion about family and what family means.
What you guys doing?
We go clean.
As you remember when we used to live here?
Yeah.
Oh.
Remember when we lived there when the house was being fixed up?
Yeah.
You remember?
Yeah.
Where did you sleep? Show me where you sleep. When we were here. Mine you no remember, you know.
I don't remember.
Mine you no remember, you know.
To put back out when you're gone.
All them things are never there when we... All them things are never out when we were here, you know. Mommy, whole heap of China them. I know these boys coming like a tornado when them come through.
Like a real tornado. Yes, darling.
Father's Day coming up, see the real G there.
See him there.
See Daddy Mitch there.
Daddy, daddy. It's
Yeah.
daddy's daddy.
Yeah, Daddy's daddy.
It's daddy, daddy.
Happy Father's Day, my G.
Daddy too.
You know how the thing goes.
It's anniversary. You know that.
Yeah, and tomorrow is the exact day to the day. 6 years since he has left us, and we still celebrate him and hold him very high in our memories and in our hearts. Right, that's the thing there. I can hear his voice right now in my head.
I don't think I got to hear his voice.
You don't remember, but I'll get something and make you hear it though.
No,
His voice.
Because I didn't get to see him too much.
Yeah, you're so young.
When I was 1, he
so
passed
young.
away, didn't he?
You're so young.
Oh my God.
But I have pictures.
Jackson's
I have
so
pictures of
lucky.
the last Christmas. Yeah, when we were up at Pop's house coming up.
Grandma, can we go outside?
Yeah, if Daddy says so. Ivy, come sweetie.
I love bridge.
Climb up on this.
Come on, Ron.
Love to climb up, you know. Climb me.
Where are the snacks?
So all of my clothes that is supposed to be moved back home is staying here, and I'm dreading the day when I have to come and sift through and make sense of it all, because trust me, everything now come back. We have to go find places to give us some of them clothes.
I don't know where do I put them.
And trust me, I'm not going to my new space with no old bang around.
Then of course.
I'm not depend that. I'm going to go with the stuff that, you know, I'm actually going to be
use, yes,
wearing.
and make sure you pack everything else.
And leave space for new things to come in.
Look what I found.
Club
She get her club social and give her this. Wow. Long time I don't eat a club social. Booba. No man, make she eat that. Yeah.
Okay. This is your favorite?
Yeah.
Yes.
This is my favorite.
Yes, I'll give you.
Yeah, but you can't just come and raid out in the grandmother place so you
And
don't
this
bet
is
you.
definitely my favorite.
Here, have this one first.
No.
No. Okay. She wants to the whole thing.
Uncertain.
Dad, open it too.
Alright, okay,
If
bro.
you have to share out some in a bowl, that's too much.
Alex in the building.
MTM, what's up?
Where you go with my G?
Just wake up, mash up.
Yeah.
touch road last night, so you know.
Yeah. Very sitting. Everything good though.
Yeah, man, everything out.
How work going?
Not too bad, you know.
Yeah.
Don't know, a bit stressful, but you know, manageable.
Manageable.
Nothing I can't manage, you know.
Exactly. And sometimes stress does put it to the test.
Yeah, true.
You come up on the other side.
Yeah.
Good, better, best.
God gives his strongest warriors the hardest battles. So
Hardest battle, yeah. True, man.
just say go, you know.
Yeah.
No raking or shaking. Yes, I was saying there's okay on the tree.
Dad, I played the
I will have
game.
a picking stick.
Dad,
Yes, Bookie?
I played the game that we played last week. What does that game called? Daddy, come, let's
You want to sit up here?
We have to hop only on the circle, not the
Exactly. If you fall off.
We have to hop on the circles. Don't touch the grass.
Put on your shoes.
No, it's fine.
Yeah, watch that step.
Don't get anything just into my feet.
Put on your shoes.
What?
Anyone pick the okay, make you see. So buddy to pick one.
Aki picking a guan.
I can jump over.
Aki up in on the tree though.
Dad, I can jump.
Alex, so you gonna run boat? Yes? Yeah, run boat?
Dad,
Yes?
I can jump over this grass. Look.
Whoa, dude. Breadfruit and Aki. Some of them look alright.
I'll meet you on the other side.
Have a pick the right one then.
Yeah. For me. Hey, get one. If you take this home.
Nice. You know it's a national dish, right?
I know.
Aki and saltfish.
Aki and saltfish.
Exactly.
I wish you could eat it raw. I would just... Look at the big, beautiful, shiny seeds in the middle. I'm gonna try catch it.
Hey.
Oh, come on. No, not the open.
Only one of them.
One of them.
Give me. Yeah, pull it. Yeah, man.
They're going the way. They're going on, man. And Ozzy, put that one back.
Wait, where's the third one? Oz, give me that. Yeah, I'll get the third one.
Sun hot, eh?
Hey.
I'll get that one.
Catch it too.
I want
Yeah.
that one. Whoa.
But there's one beside it, wait.
Daddy, where's the third one? Look.
There was one.
Look, Dad.
Huh?
Where's the third
Oh,
seed?
yeah.
This one.
Oh, no, put it. Just drop it in here, darling.
I'll
I will
put it
take
in
it
there.
up. Thank you, guys.
I'll get the other one at once.
Alright, Grandma.
Okay,
Right.
sweetie.
Later.
Good to have you, darling.
I tell them, say, you see the room and you love it.
Oh, gosh. I am so impressed. I love it. I love it. I've not seen that before.
Yeah.
And I think you guys have a beautiful design.
Alright. Nice. Thanks.
Wait for the reveal.
Yeah. Hey, look, you know, I come for my fruits, and you don't know. But Effie them I tell me drama. Yo, where's the Effie? Where's the Guan?
Two lady
Yeah.
Bermuda came here and said they were sent here by Wayne and
By the Mitchells.
Are true?
Mitchells family. Yes.
Nice.
They say they talk to you every day.
So big up for first cousin. Big up for first cousin them in Bermuda who visiting in Jamaica and coming to the spots them and the stops them. You don't know.
Everything here.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
They shop like crazy.
What? Love that.
Red fruit and the mother.
Yeah.
Oh my God, she's going crazy for everything.
What?
Everything.
Love that.
Yeah.
Love.
And
Them get East Indian too? They get mango?
you know, you must say breadfruit, ackee, mango,
What?
jackfruit, everything.
Love that.
Yeah.
Love that. All right.
Thank you very much for
Yeah.
that.
All right.
Yes.
Nice. Nice.
Thank you.
All right. Wicked.